want to know anything, it is called as science now. The next we are going for what is physics, and we know what exactly the definition of physics is. Now here, what is physics? The question comes to our mind. The term physics is derived from the Greek word physika. Physika means natural things or nature. In physics, several processes and views of nature are studied, but as per the definition of modern physics, the relation between energy and matter is studied. Newton and Einstein are considered as the father of the physics. Now here, the physics is further divided into different branches. We call them the branch of physics now. The various branches of physics helps us to understand natural process in details with proper analysis. Let us study about the list of major branches of physics. Physics is mainly divided into two main parts. One is called the classical physics and another is called the modern physics. In classical physics, the physics up to 1900 AD is considered as a classical physics. Its main subdivisions are as follows. First is the mechanics. It is that branch of physics that deals with the study of motion. No doubt, motion is the fundamental idea in all of science. It is also related to the properties of matter and light. The second branch in the classical physics is optics. Optics is deals with all incidents related to light and its production, transmission, detection, and these things are studied into the optics. Next, classical physics is the next branch is sound and wave motion. Under it, the wave speed and sound production and transmission are studied. Then the next branch is the heat and thermodynamics. This branch deals with the process of heat, its transmission, and changes in its functions. The electromagnetism is another branch in the classical physics. It deals with electromagnetic radiations, or we can say that it is the phenomenon of interaction of electric current or fields and magnetic fields. The second part, which was the modern physics now, it is the 12th century physics. Its main subdivisions are as follows. Atomic physics is one subdivision. In this, the interaction of atom and its radiations are studied in atomic physics. In the nuclear physics, it deals with the structure of nucleus and the interaction of nuclear particles. In quantum mechanics, this is the special type of mechanics in which the behavior of molecules, atoms and nuclear particles is studied or described. Next is theory of relativity. In 1905, Einstein propounded a special principle of relativity in which the interaction of very high-speed particles are explained. Later, in 1915, Einstein presented a general theory of relativity in which the definition of gravitation was also explained. This is cosmology and space exploration is another branch in the modern physics now. In this branch, the study of the origin, structure and the movement of various celestial bodies of the world is studied. In the space exploration, the launch and the study of man-made artificial satellites, the information received from them is also analyzed and studied. Now, one more branch is mesoscopic physics now. It deals with materials of an intermediate length in a sub-discipline condensed matter. The scale of these materials can be described as being between the nanoscale size of the quantity of atoms, such as molecules, and of materials measuring micrometers. And conclude, what about the physics is? Therefore, we can say that physics is a fundamental science whose rules are used in all the technologies and all other branches of the science. Also, it had helped human beings in understanding the philosophical side of life by successfully interpreting many mysteries of the world. Thus, physics is a foundation of all other branches. Now, we are continuing the third part, important laws of physics. We are continuing into the third part of the physics now. Thank you for watching this. Now, let us take over